Scrunchy, scrunchy, scrunchy. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making DIY scrunchies. These are some of the scrunchies I've done before. Also this black one. So with that being said, let's go. You will need a pair of scissors, any fabric, a water bottle, a ruler, a pen, pencil, chalk, and a needle. So first of all, I just got my shirt. This is an old shirt I don't wear anymore, and I'm planning on donating it. But I decided to use it for the scrunchie. So I just got my tape measure, and I'm just trying to take down some measurements with my pencil. So now I've measured the shirt to be 38 cm and 10 cm. Now I'm just cutting out the measurements and trying to get it correct so I can do the next step. So now I am all done cutting, and you can see me sharpening the scissors right here. And I am all done cutting, and I'm just cutting out the excess part and prepping it up. Now I've gotten my bottle and my hair elastic, and I'm just wrapping the fabric all over the bottle, and I'm just gonna use the hair elastic to hold them together. Now I'm just folding the fabric all over the hair elastic so that it can bond together. Next, you just want to sew the two ends together. Now I'm all done with that, and I'm just getting the scrunchie off of the bottle, and I ended up with this flap, so I'm just trying to get that off. So I'm done getting that flap, and I'm just turning the scrunchie inside out so that the smooth parts can come out on the outside. Can you understand me? So now I'm all done with that, and I'm just trying to smoothen out the scrunchie a little bit. Once you're done with that, we're just gonna sew the two ends together so that it can be smooth. Just gonna sew the two ends together so it can be one big family. So there you go, the scrunchie, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And this is my new first scrunchie. Bye!